actually see it, but the bridge is absolutely packed with people. That's how bad it is. And then packed all over there. So we're going to go down there on the field. It's going the wrong way. Oh well. Right, we're in the field now. There's loads of stalls and stuff. We're just going have a look. Huh? I won some trades.
Go upside down, look.
Oh.
It's fruity.
Fruity trays! I use them for toast. Something. Toast something. Oh, my fingers gone down. I won some trays. I haven't won a Heatherlump, but my friend gave me a Heatherlump. Heatherlump. Because she couldn't hold it and keep it in her bedroom. So I kind of won. We're going to the arcade bit over there. Oh god. Oh, this might be a bit difficult. There's a massive bin in the way. Oh! God, that's a bit hard. We're going to the arcade and it looks like packed because our friends are down there. So I will record later. Bye! Spent all my money in the arcade. Well, I haven't really. I spent like £1. But we didn't win anything anyway. Kind of a bit of a boner. We're going uptown now to find some food because me and Mark are hungry. Hungry buggers. And then we're gonna, I think, watch the boats R4, I think, which should be cool. So I'll record later. Bye. He's nicked the beer. You're popular. Got a bit of lemonade here, waiting for Paul to get back. And then hopefully we'll see the boats later and stuff. This boat's coming now, so we'll just record a few boats. The boats are coming!
Slowly coming into view.
Slowly.
Very slow. Very because the one person on that boat has got the gold change around his neck also does the deliveries at Bonnie.
There you go, look. There's another one. There's like the Queen's boat. Huh? It's a pretty boat. I want a boat. Can you get me a boat? Boat for my birthday. That'd be good, wouldn't it? Give me a boat. Later on there's a night boat thing, which is quite cool. I think this is football. Oh my! I thought it was football, but actually it's actually Vikings. Vikings? Vikings. I think. Hey, it's Julius Caesar on the thing. See? That's good. Yeah, Lego Movie 1. That's cool. I like that. Lego Movie. Hi guys, we just got back from the Carnival. We've been out for a couple of hours now, probably like 5, and we're tired. I recorded a bit of the boats because the tea's ready. Recorded a bit of the boats, and then there's also going to be boats with lights and go past the river. So we're gonna go. Me and Mark are gonna walk down at 8 because it starts at 8:30, and then Paul's gonna carry on following after that. And Paul's watching Doctor Who as always, and he won't finish. He won't stop watching it. So he's gonna go and arrive later with his bike. So yeah, that's basically what's gonna happen. And then there's fireworks afterwards. I think starting about 10ish. So we're gonna watch those while on the bridge. Oh, I don't know if you can tell, but I'm so tired. I am. We've been standing and twisting for about 5 hours, as I said, and it's so tiring. But it's been a good day though. We've seen some of the really nice floats and went around the stalls, and obviously my friend got me that, and I've been carrying that all day, which is also a pain in the bum. So I'll record later when we actually go down to see the boats, and also I'll record the fireworks, obviously. So I'll record later after I've had a drink and sit down, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye! That's just those two. There's only two. But there's two way in there. Oh. It's very, very good people here. It's really pretty. You started? Yeah. You started? Yeah. That's one big boat. It's a narrow boat. I didn't realise how big that actually is. Look how big that is. Wow. My mum's on, my sister's on there, I think. Oh yeah. How are you missing them? Whoa, that's great. I think we're missing them.
They didn't warn us.
That's a pretty one. They're really pretty.
Come on, you just in time for the next ride. We're already on the slip line. Come on, boys and girls. Take your seat to the car if you're riding now. All ready if you'd like to ride. Come on. Take your seat to the cars. Come on, boys and girls. Take your seat to the cars now.
Oh wow. These are really pretty.
girls, all ready now.
You've got a stupid tree that would be pointless in my eyes. I wanted to do a nice view from the bridge, that's why I wanted to stay there. I thought they were going to be straight after the boats.
Right, we're nearly there, nearly there.
Halfway down the fucking road.